Hey, welcome back. Van here. In this video I want to show you how easy it is to use LAWNBRIGHT. LAWNBRIGHT's a company that's a subscription company that sends out all natural products for your lawn. They send out in this box that you've got a soil sample test kit, give you a card on how to use the sprayers, how to do the soil sample test kit. You get the black magic and you get the weed wipeout. All these products are all natural. They also come with an instruction guide on what to do, when to do it. They've got a texting service that you text it and they'll send you text back telling you when to do stuff. If you got any questions, I had a question on the weed wipeout. It said to do the perimeter, or it said spray your grass around the driveways, but I didn't know, am I supposed to spray the yard? So they messaged me back pretty quick and said, yeah, spray the yard, but you want to be sure to spray the areas where weeds are going to grow first, which is the perimeter of your yard, around driveways and such. You know, and I got thinking about that. It makes sense because you're driving down the road with your car and you're bringing in all kinds of seeds on your tires probably, and that's where your weeds are going to start growing from first, is around your driveway. So it makes sense. So if you look at this, you can see what they're going to tell you in it. It tells you the first thing you want to do is do a soil sample. The next thing you want to do within week 1 and 2 is to use the bottles of weed wipeout, and 3 and 4 you want to use the bottles of black magic. And so they send you reminders on these things on when to do it. That way you don't forget. I'm really excited about this because I've always wanted a really nice yard. So we're going to go through each one of these step by step. You can find those videos in the playlist right up here. So what do I think about LAWNBRIGHT? Here's the pros. The pros is you don't have to go to the Home Depot store or Lowe's or anything. You don't have to try to figure anything out. You do the soil sample. They send you text along the way and tell you when to add stuff. They send you the right product at the right time. There's no guesswork. You don't have to pay a big lawn company to come out and take care of your lawn and charge you too much. The only con that I can think of right now is the nozzle. I think they should have explained more about the nozzles and the different types of nozzles that you need to use as far as the black magic and the weed wipeout. That's what I think. That's the only thing negative I can think of, because other than that, it's all taken care of. They do it all for you. All you have to do is come out here and hook a hose up to it and start spraying your lawn and sit back and enjoy it. Now stay tuned for some more shipments from them. Let's see what happens to the grass. Hey y'all, if you're new to my channel is all about saving you time and money with my how-tos and product reviews. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Check out the video description down below for links. Y'all have a good one now. Thanks for watching, and you come back. Yeah.